Now what is going on up here?
I am making Frappuccino.
You're making a Frappuccino?
Yep. Look good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does look pretty good. This is my breakfast, guys. I got some eggs, cheese eggs, and avocado. Alright, so what all did you use?
Coffee.
Regular coffee?
Yes.
And instant coffee.
Yes.
Regular coffee and instant coffee. And
taste it.
Alright, so I am about to taste it. It's real frothy.
I put it on puree. Maybe I should have did it on high.
Not sweet enough. Alright guys, so yeah, haven't really vlogged all week, but it's Saturday and I'm off, and we will be doing a seafood boil today because I ordered the Blove's seafood mix or seasoning, whatever. So that will be coming in today, and we will be doing what am I saying? We will be doing a seafood boil. So I will catch you guys probably at the store. All right, guys, guess what just came? Yes, ma'am. My Blove Smackalicious sauce. I got the mild one, so I'm excited to see how this tastes, you guys. So excited. About to go to the store and get the ingredients that it says on the back. And my mom ordered some magnetic lashes with eyeliner. So it's the, I guess it's the eyeliner that's the magnet. It's the magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. So yes, ma'am. Hey guys, so we are back from the store, and I just want to do a little haul for you guys and show you what we got. Okay, so first off, we got some milk. We got these little Jimmy Dean breakfast bowls. Y'all know I love those. We got some Tennessee Pride sausage, Kaneka sausage. We love these little sushi things from Kroger. So we got some of these. It's the crab and shrimp ones, fully cooked. We got a pound of shrimp. What are these? Shrimp cooked. Yeah, we got a pound of shrimp with Cajun seasoning. And I was really disappointed because there's excuse the water ice maker, but I was really disappointed because their steamer was broken, so I wasn't able to get them steamed. But we are going to just cook them ourselves. A sliced cheese, red potatoes for the seafood boil that y'all gonna see later with the Blove sauce, cherries, grapes, cheese, eggs, onion mix. What is this? Sweet corn. Vegetable mix. Oh, and so I got these cooked shrimp, the jumbo ones, because I wanted these for the seafood boil we was gonna do. I wanted some big ones, so I got a pound of these. Chicken broth for the seasoning. We got these chicken party wings. These were so good when I cooked them last time. I baked them in the oven. So those are really good. I got a 4-pound bag of those. I love lima beans, so I got lima beans. I absolutely love okra. Love okra. This is also for this Blove seasoning, the pickled ginger, minced garlic, got some cocktail sauce. I got this everything but the bagel, if it'll focus. I got this everything but the bagel seasoning because I'm tired of hearing about it and I want to try it myself. So I got Crystal's hot sauce. You know, when you don't buy stuff, you don't need it like for everyday use. You just get it for something you're gonna make. So another weird thing, white vinegar. We got this bread and butter pickles because Melvin likes those, but I like these bread and butter pickles for my salad. So I got these little sliced ones. Got some sweet honey, barbecue sauce, onion, and I got me a pound of shrimp as well. We're just shrimping down over here. All right, and I got a bag of crab legs for the crab boil, of course. Extra sweet corn for the crab boil. My favorite kind of chips, well, one of my favorite chips. I'm trying these again. The Tom's vinegar and salt chips. I'm gonna try those again. My best friend eats them. They're very vinegary and salty. So yeah, we're gonna try those. Got some Lay's wavy hickory barbecue and some stuff because my mom is gonna make another chicken pot pie. Yeah, and we got a buttload of drinks. This is just one of them, the Sprite Zero. That's mainly what me and my mom drinks, and we got like Pepsis and stuff. And my mom made a cake this morning. It looks so good, you guys. We've already we've already tried a piece of it, but that looks so good. It's so moist. It's just a regular pound cake. So yeah, look, you guys, I got my hams out. So this is my unhealthy snack that I'm eating. 3-piece chicken nugget, well, chicken nugget, 3-piece chicken tender and fries with water and ketchup from Jack's. They have some of the best chicken tenders, y'all. You gotta try them. With the honey mustard, oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this is the moment we have all been waiting for. We are about to make the Blove's Smackalicious sauce mix. I got the mild kind, and I got this off Amazon, y'all. It was $25, like $25. So yes, we are about to get prepared to make this. I got all of the ingredients, and yeah, I'm excited about it. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the kitchen. Okay guys, so we are about to make this sauce, and I'm so excited. So I have all of my ingredients. Just looking at the back of the package, it has everything you need and all the measurements and everything. So the first thing it says to do is, in a medium saucepan, add 4 sticks of unsalted sweet cream butter or butter substitute. So I went ahead and used the unsalted let's see, sweet cream butter. So this one is by Cobalt or Cabot or whatever, but this is what the package looks like, and it says 4 sticks. So I'm gonna go ahead. Does it say? Let's see. It doesn't say what temperature to put it on, so I'm just gonna cook it on medium. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this butter. Next, it says 1/2 medium sweet onion, thinly sliced. This is the onion, and we're just gonna put that over in there. All of the onion. So now it says 3/4 cup of minced garlic. So I didn't get enough minced garlic, guys. I just got this one little thing, and this is a 4.5 ounce. So I'm just gonna pour it all in there, and hopefully it won't make a difference. So I'm just gonna get all of that up in there. If we can get all of it. A 3/4 cup of pickled ginger. So this is the pickled ginger I picked up. I ended up just pouring the whole container of pickled ginger in there because when I started measuring out, it equaled to the 3/4 cup. It says 1 pouch of Smackalicious seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and pour it all in there. Look at all that goodness. Okay. So the whole pack is in there. We're gonna stir it up. so now 1 cup of chicken broth or water. So I went and got chicken broth. This is the 33% less sodium. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of that in there. That up in there. All right, 4 ounces of Coke. And this is gonna be optional, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there because that's what the recipe says. So pour that up in there. Ooh, that had an effect. All right, so next we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon. There we go. Now it says to bring to a boil, stirring occasionally until veggies are translucent. So let me give it another good stir. I'm gonna keep it on medium and bring it to a boil. Okay guys, so it is boiling now. Ooh. So okay, let's see. It smells, yeah, I'm smelling ginger. I'm smelling ginger, but yeah, put your face over in it. So it's looking pretty good. It just needs to, I guess, boil a little bit more. So I don't know if y'all can hear me over that. We'll get to that in a minute. But this is the sauce and it is done. We got our seafood over there and we got our sauce. Let me show y'all about the seafood. Okay. So what we have in here is Conecuh sausage, red potatoes, crab legs, eggs. I guess the eggs are probably at the bottom. And what else we got? Oh, we got jumbo shrimp. And they are seasoned. All of this is seasoned with Old Bay seasoning and Cajun seasoning. So these are gizzards. We are frying, well, he is frying gizzards.
I cooked everything. Except that.
Well, he cooked all of this and I cooked the seasoning, but he is frying gizzards right now. So my battery's going dead, so. But I'm gonna get back with you guys in just a minute when everything is done and on the plate. Okay guys, we are finally at the end where we are gonna be tasting and trying out the Blove's Smackalicious seasoning mix. So this is, hold on, no, we're doing it together. This is the seasoning or the sauce mix. This is what it looks like. So yeah. So I just put a little bit in a smaller saucepan or whatever you call these. And we are going to try it out. You go first. You were just ready to try. So he's gonna go first.
Oh, I smell the dinner. I can't.
Oh, let's tell how it smells first. Okay. We think it smells like ginger. What do you think?
I don't taste nothing.
You don't taste anything?
I taste ginger.
So he thinks it tastes like ginger on his initial try. So I am about to try it out. It tastes like ginger to me too. Let me try it again. I'm gonna try some sausage. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what we have. We have crab legs, egg, corn, potatoes, shrimp, and Conecuh sausage. So I just tried it with shrimp. It tastes like ginger to me. Like, okay, let's see. Maybe the sausage will give it a different flavor.
spaghetti sauce.
It does taste, it's a sweet kind of taste. I gotta try it again. I gotta try it. I'm trying to get like the taste of it. By the way, this is the mild one, so maybe the spicy one tastes different, I don't know. Okay. I mean, it's good. It tastes like a sweet ginger sauce. What would you rate this out of 10?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Dang. I was gonna give it like a 7 or 8. Let me try it again. I keep giving it second and third and fourth chances. Listen.
We're gonna change.
I know a lot of people say they think it tastes like spaghetti sauce. I'm trying to see if I get spaghetti sauce from it. Okay, here's a good amount. Let's try this. I can kind of see what they're talking about, but my spaghetti don't taste like this. What?
What's good?
Did I make?
That's what I'm
My spaghetti don't taste like this, but I can kind of see. You gotta get some of the stuff. Listen, when y'all are dipping this, make sure you get some of the stuff at the bottom. Don't just get the oil. You gotta get into the stuff. I'm gonna dip my corn in it and see what it tastes like.
better butter.
Yeah, that's a little bit better. So this is
Yeah,
my
that's
corn.
good.
Yeah.
It ain't that bad, it's just I don't need it.
Yeah, it's not something that you need, but if you want to dip something, dip your seafood or whatever in it.
Butter.
Yeah, you use butter, but this is it's good. I mean, but it's,
Making her rich.
you know, it's, you know.
Making her rich.
And I'm guessing it's sweet because it says it has brown sugar in it, so.
Yeah, there's hot sauce on the refrigerator. You can ask them. Sauce.
Y'all, does hot sauce go in the refrigerator or the cabinet? Comment down below if you think hot sauce should go in the refrigerator or the cabinet. And if you think it should go in the refrigerator, like this video.
Ketchup and hot sauce should go in the cabinet.
Ketchup and hot sauce. Ketchup too should go in the refrigerator.
No one wants cold ketchup.
Yes, we do. Everyone wants cold ketchup.
I don't, so you're right.
You're different. But anyway, we're gonna wrap up this video. I do think you should give this sauce a try. If you haven't tried it already, I do think it's worth a try. Like I said, this sauce is good, but it's not necessary. So, but it is a good sauce if you want to try it out and if you're into dipping sauces. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, like and share this video. And if you want us to do more videos like this, let us know as well. Thank you guys for joining us today, and I will see you guys in the next video.